All right, BBT fam. I hope you guys had a great morning. This is like the second big day in a row. Now, yesterday we made about 2,400 bucks. Today I'm thinking we're gonna knock that out of the park if we have a good earnings trade aftermarket. But we've had an awesome morning. Let's take a look at MRNA. And again, I the way the market was shaped up today, I felt being aggressive on the entry is the way to go, and that's what we did here on MRNA. As soon as we broke the pre-market high, I got in. I was getting ready to take profit, and I accidentally added to my position. Instead of taking 2/3 off, I added 2/3. But then I turned around and did take my profit. It pulled back, stopped me out at break even. And as it bounced back, I went ahead and got in again and nailed the rest of the trade. So it put in the 5-minute opening range high. Once we took that out, I took the traditional 5-minute opening range breakout, got in here, and this is a grand slam. I can't say this is like a home run. This is just a grand slam. All the way up, it made the complete move. Hit my final target up here at 187 and some change. And once it started to reverse, we got the reversal. And typically, if these are gonna fail, they're gonna fail at the 9, and that's kind of where we fail. So we got 2 targets here on the reversal, and then we took it off on a profit stop. Now, this is trying to push and take out the 187 level. And if it does, I'm going to be ready for it. Now, this time, we're going to wait for confirmation. I'm not going to just buy this on the break. So you see where we are up here. This is high a day. We're taking out the top of this linear regression channel at 187.37. Let's go ahead and mark this 187.37. So if we confirm over the linear regression channel and this 187.71 level, then we're going to take it for the next leg up, which is to the 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart, which is just over 190. Oh, no, I'm sorry. The daily 200, which is 192.23. So MRNA is not dead yet. We're still looking at it. Airbnb was the other trade. The first trade out of the gate, opening range breakout. We waited until it took out the 200 because I didn't want to buy into that. So we got it. First target up here, linear regression channel, then it pulled back. Stopped me out at break even. Here, I was looking for the next move up. Got long here, and we've had this extended pullback. All right, so here's the here's the trend that we're in today. And this is kind of what I'm looking for here. We're still trending up. I will add to this if we break over all this resistance. I'll add back to it, looking for a move up. That'll help put me in a better position. But as I said, when I got into this trade, I was looking at this for overall trend. And if you wanted to stop out here when you lost this, you could. There were 2 different ways to play this. So this is a longer term, trying to hold it the rest of the day type of trade. This one I'll have to work at to get back. But even if I take a hit on this, the trades that I've made today will pay for this 2-3 times over. So I'm not even concerned about that. That's not something to really be worried about at this point. So MRNA, again, we're looking at it, see if it confirms over this. If it doesn't, there's no trade. Now it may trade sideways here for a while until it decides to break out. Just have to be patient and let things work itself out. So rest of the day we're going to be working on Airbnb, seeing what we could do with this to get back on the right side of things. And then if you're not doing anything at 3:30, come back in. We're going to look and see if we can get some aftermarket earnings and maybe double what we've made today. So it's going to be looking for a pretty fun day. So you guys take care, trade safe, and I will see you guys at 4. Peace.